In this video, we're going to be photographing planet Venus from my backyard, but only this time with cloud structures. Let's get started. I'm so excited. First, we got to find the planet Venus. I am using this little 6x30 finder scope mounted with the Celestron C8 and a ZWO ASI 178mm as the camera, and then a ZWO EWF filter wheel. I am also using a Skywatcher EQM35 Pro mount for the tracking system, basically. So I'm also using a Jackery battery, which is for the mount's power. So I use it to power the mount because I don't have any other way of powering the mount, really. You guys can see, here's planet Venus right here, and it looks a slight bit out of collimation. So what I like to do is I like to actually collimate. I think that looks pretty good right there, so I am going to go ahead and use that. So now I'm going to go ahead and fully focus the telescope. So let's go ahead and fully focus. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's a little off, but it's slightly off. And I am not going to be using a Barlow lens, unfortunately, today, because if I use a Barlow lens, it is going to screw everything up, because before, when I used a Barlow, it was just too much on the telescope, even though it's really bright. So I'm going to go ahead and crop this in. Still pretty big for not using a Barlow, which is pretty good. And there it is. There's Venus. It looks very bad seeing today, so I'm definitely not going to use a Barlow. And I have to initialize the telescope interface, which I did not do that yet. You see, the seeing ain't the best tonight, but it is going very quickly, so hopefully we'll get a decent image of it. Now I'm probably only going to go to 20,000 frames with IR just because I want to also get UV. And UV is the most important channel in terms of getting cloud structures on planet Venus. Currently Venus is being covered with a little bit of cloud cover. So yeah. Alright, we reached 20,000, so we can go ahead and stop IR. Turn up gain. As I said in my other video, you definitely want to keep gain lower and exposure higher in this one, because I feel like it does a better job. Every time I do high gain with low exposures, it always tends to be really noisy.